Alright guys, so I was telling you that I like to clean my trays out on a pretty regular basis, and here's why. You find things living in your trays sometimes, and well, I really don't want a bunch of these guys taking up residence in my trays, and that's what's going to happen eventually if I don't watch over these things. Boys, a little trucker, there he is. Sorry, my voice is still trashed, but I saw this and I just had to try to get some footage of it for you guys, because I'm sure you've all had this kind of thing happen as well, probably in different capacities, but he's cruising. Alright, let's see if I can get this little dude. Come here, little man. Come here. Come here. Try to get him on the next pass. There we go. Hold still. Hold still. Dude, come here. I can't get my hand in there. There we go. And this is his lucky day, because I'm going to toss him outside. Maybe he'll find a girlfriend or a boyfriend or whatever the hell these things do. Anyway, see y'all later. Cheers.